I just really wanted to make a quick statement about what's been happening in South Africa and Libya in the past week. What's been happening to these people is all thanks to the Ethiopian government. It's their fault. It really is. You know, Ethiopia itself is corrupted because they have not been treating their people well. They have not been developing Ethiopia at all in any way ever since they've started ruling. Their people are they're just sick of it. They want to move on, live their lives. And when they flee to countries such as Libya. And this is what happens to them. So if the Ethiopian government actually looked after its people, all this would not be coming. Yes, it's not right for the Libyan government or the South African government to allow these things to happen. But at the same time, the Ethiopian government is huge wrong. It's their job to say, my people are dying, I should go look after them. They haven't done that. Even during the Saudi Arabian time, even during the South African time that just happened a couple of days ago, and Libya now. This government hates its people. This government doesn't care for anyone but itself. They just care about their pride, just wanting it for it to be up there. That's all they care about, for their pride to be up there. And I think that the youth around the world, no matter where you are, you can make a change. By making these videos, by informing other people and other youths about what's happening in Ethiopia, change can happen. This government can slowly come down. Even though it will take time, it will come down. And these people being killed all around the Middle Eastern and Africa itself, it will stop. People in Ethiopia will be comfortable living where they are, will be happy. Our tradition and culture has disappeared within Ethiopia. Our discipline has gone. Innocent people are being killed trying to find a better life. I think that the way that the Ethiopian government mentality works and the way they think is fully jacked up. It's like some evil spirits on top of them. I just feel as though we are not a loving country anymore. Muslims and Christians used to love each other. We used to have each other's backs all the time. But now we are fighting amongst ourselves. Now people are being beheaded because of what God they believe in. Which is so disgusting. So I think that it's up to us youth, since the older people of our Ethiopian community, let's just say, have not thought about doing anything. We should do something. And that is to scream and shout for these people.